Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a PDF file through email step by step. Whether you're using Gmail, Outlook or Zomail, this method will work for all. So let's get started. So to send an email, first go to the compose mail, then enter the email address of the person you want to send the mail to. Okay, so for an example, I will write here my another email ID. So this is my another email ID. Okay, so in subject, I will choose anything ABC. Now here is the main part come at how to attach a PDF. Okay, so goes on this section, attach file. Now choose any of the file or the PDF which do you want to send it. For an example, I want to send this PDF. Simply click on it and it's done. Okay, so as you can see, the PDF is currently being uploaded in the process. So guys, our PDF is successfully uploaded. Now just you need to click on send and it's done. Our email successfully sent. Let's open. So guys, this is our email and this is our PDF. Okay, so that's how you can easily send an email with a PDF attachment. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching.